初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I'm just looking, thanks.
I'm just looking, thanks.
我只是看看，谢谢。
I'm just looking, thanks.
I'm just looking, thanks.
Do you sell this brand?
Do you sell this brand?
你们卖这个牌子吗？
Do you sell this brand?
Do you sell this brand?
Where are the vegetables?
Where are the vegetables?
蔬菜在哪里？
Where are the vegetables?
Where are the vegetables?
I'm looking for milk.
I'm looking for milk.
我在找牛奶。
I'm looking for milk.
I'm looking for milk.
Do you have this in black?
Do you have this in black?
这个有黑色的吗？
Do you have this in black?
Do you have this in black?
Is this on sale today?
Is this on sale today?
今天这个打折吗？
Is this on sale today?
Is this on sale today?
Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
我可以试穿吗？
Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
试衣间在哪里？
Where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
What size is this shirt?
What size is this shirt?
这件衬衫是什么尺码？
What size is this shirt?
What size is this shirt?
Do you have a smaller one?
Do you have a smaller one?
有小一点的吗？
Do you have a smaller one?
Do you have a smaller one?
I need some rice and oil.
I need some rice and oil.
我需要一些米和油。
I need some rice and oil.
I need some rice and oil.
This one is too expensive.
This one is too expensive.
这个太贵了。
This one is too expensive.
This one is too expensive.
Can I get a discount?
Can I get a discount?
可以打折吗？
Can I get a discount?
Can I get a discount?
How much is this?
How much is this?
这个多少钱？
How much is this?
How much is this?
I'll take this one.
I'll take this one.
我要这个。
I'll take this one.
I'll take this one.
Is it fresh?
Is it fresh?
这个新鲜吗？
Is it fresh?
Is it fresh?
It's past the expiry date.
It's past the expiry date.
已经过期了。
It's past the expiry date.
It's past the expiry date.
Where can I weigh this?
Where can I weigh this?
在哪里可以称重？
Where can I weigh this?
Where can I weigh this?
I have a shopping list.
I have a shopping list.
我有购物清单。
I have a shopping list.
I have a shopping list.
I'm done shopping now.
I'm done shopping now.
我买完了。
I'm done shopping now.
I'm done shopping now.
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
可以刷卡吗？
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Do you take cash?
Do you take cash?
收现金吗？
Do you take cash?
Do you take cash?
I don't have change.
I don't have change.
我没有零钱。
I don't have change.
I don't have change.
Do you accept coupons?
Do you accept coupons?
可以用优惠券吗？
Do you accept coupons?
Do you accept coupons?
I need a shopping bag.
I need a shopping bag.
我需要一个购物袋。
I need a shopping bag.
I need a shopping bag.
Please scan this item.
Please scan this item.
请扫描这件商品。
Please scan this item.
Please scan this item.
Can I pay with my phone?
Can I pay with my phone?
可以用手机支付吗？
Can I pay with my phone?
Can I pay with my phone?
I'll pay for both.
I'll pay for both.
两个我都买了。
I'll pay for both.
I'll pay for both.
Can I get a receipt?
Can I get a receipt?
可以给我收据吗？
Can I get a receipt?
Can I get a receipt?
Keep the change, thanks.
Keep the change, thanks.
不用找零了，谢谢。
Keep the change, thanks.
Keep the change, thanks.
I want to return this.
I want to return this.
我想退货。
I want to return this.
I want to return this.
It doesn't fit me well.
It doesn't fit me well.
这个不太适合我。
It doesn't fit me well.
It doesn't fit me well.
I lost the receipt.
I lost the receipt.
我丢了收据。
I lost the receipt.
I lost the receipt.
Can I get a refund?
Can I get a refund?
可以退款吗？
Can I get a refund?
Can I get a refund?
It's broken inside.
It's broken inside.
里面坏了。
It's broken inside.
It's broken inside.
Can I exchange it?
Can I exchange it?
可以换一个吗？
Can I exchange it?
Can I exchange it?
When did you buy it?
When did you buy it?
你什么时候买的？
When did you buy it?
When did you buy it?
I'll check for you.
I'll check for you.
我帮你查一下。
I'll check for you.
I'll check for you.
Sorry, it's not returnable.
Sorry, it's not returnable.
抱歉，这个不能退。
Sorry, it's not returnable.
Sorry, it's not returnable.
Thanks for your help.
Thanks for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thanks for your help.
Thanks for your help.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。